BMW G30 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality BMW wheel spacers can help the G30 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheels education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. BMW G30 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the G30. The lines of the BMW G30 will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using BMW G30 wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 12mm wheel spacers on the front of the G30, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many BMW G30 owners who buy the BONOSS Lightweight Plus wheel spacers. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extending wheel bolt. BONOSS BMW G30 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional BMW G30 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards.